Here at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2017 FLHTK Electric Glide Ultra Limited in color black. The 107 cubic inch engine and a 6-speed transmission. This bike comes with everything you need for a touring bike: tour pack, luggage rack, saddlebags, lower fairings, cruise control, premium audio, and more. With 13,439 miles. This bike also comes with a signature Daymaker LED headlamp. It's in great condition and it's ready for a test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.